Hi guys, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we're checking out the best electric screwdriver, the Astro AI ES60 electric screwdriver. It's packed with features that make electronics work easier and precise. Let's get started. The Astro AI ES60 electric screwdriver is built for precision and versatility. Whether you're fixing smartphones, tablets, laptops, or cameras, this tool is designed to handle delicate electronics without damaging them. With adjustable torque and a wide range of bits, it's perfect for detailed assembly and repair work. One of the standout features of the Astro AI ES60 is its adjustable torque. You can choose from 3 electric torque levels between 0.1 and 0.35 N, or set a manual torque from 3 to 6 N. This flexibility ensures you don't over-tighten screws, keeping sensitive devices safe. It comes with a 60-piece S2 steel precision bit set, including specialized JIS bits for Japanese electronics like iPhones. Along with a magnetizer, pry bar, and tweezers, the full 63-in-1 toolkit covers almost every electronic task you can imagine. The magnetic bit storage system is a clever addition. Its rotatable compartment makes selecting and storing bits smooth and organized. Plus, the detachable magnetizer helps hold screws securely, reducing the chance of losing tiny parts. Powered by a 500 mAh battery and a Type-C fast charging port, the ES60 can assemble or disassemble up to 160 phones on a single charge. With a motor speed of up to 165 RPM, it's fast yet precise, giving you control over every turn. 4 ultra-bright LED lights illuminate your workspace, which is perfect for tight or dark areas inside laptops or game consoles. The integrated LCD screen shows real-time torque adjustments and battery status, keeping you informed during every job. The Astro AI ES60 has a sleek, pen-style design that fits comfortably in your hand. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to carry around or use for extended periods without fatigue. The quality materials and precision engineering give it a professional look and feel, making it both durable and stylish. In everyday use, the ES60 makes tasks like smartphone repairs, laptop upgrades, or camera maintenance effortless. You can quickly swap bits, adjust torque, and light up small areas without needing extra tools. It's like having a full electronics toolkit in a single portable device. This electric screwdriver is ideal for tech enthusiasts, professional repair technicians, or anyone who works with small electronics. If you handle gadgets regularly and want precision with convenience, the Astro AI ES60 is a perfect match. Don't miss out on this versatile tool. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more helpful gadget insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.